Hey guys, San Francisco Gamer 2019 here with a box break of Jim's as a Game. First time opening this, so hopefully I pull a 9 or 2. That'd be cool. I will save the graded card for last. Lee, draft. Hit. Oh, there's a fat pack. Another hit. Score, draft. Ooh, 2019. So if I pull Nick Bosa auto. More 2019 hit, score, and then Don Russ. We'll start with these first. Okay. Haskins, Willis, Anderson. If you didn't see these, Haskins, Willis, Anderson, Hunte, which I probably just, and Thompson. Okay. It's sweet if I pulled in Nick Bosa auto. Anderson again. Hey, Deebo Samuel for the Niners. Heck yeah. This guy, Johnson, and him. Get all the leaf out of dry leaf and stuff out of the way. Sylvester Jr., that guy. Sylvester Jr. Gold, Devin Bush 2, and Alex Burns. Harris, Ryan Finley, him, don't want to, Barry Sanders, and that guy again. Hardman, Brown, Dixon. Hey, Nick Bosa. Woohoo. And Justin Hill. No, I'm going to save those for last. Those look like fat packs. Save them for after this. Harris. Baker Gold. Metcalf. And Will Greer. Harris again. Dons. Terry something. Drew Lock, Johnson, Lewis, Stephon Lewis, Will Greer again, not even going to pronounce that name, Jones, and Devin White. back of the stage and stuff. Sample, Anderson, Hill. Hey, Patty Mahomes. Ryan Finley. Hey, another Nick Bosa. Hey, I got 2 Nick Bosas. Awesome. Johnson. Not even going to pronounce that guy's name. Him. That is all the leaf. And Sage. We'll go score now. Earl Thomas, Demarcus Thomas, Mago, Walker, Johnson, him, and Cody Porter, which is trash. We will go score now. Matt Stafford, that guy, him, Eric something, Paul something, Nick Foles, Kevin Benjamin, Red Randall Cobb's 3/20 red zone. That's a pretty cool card. Jeremy Langford, Cody something. I'm not. Marcus Mariota, Bishop Sankey sophomores. Franchise Tom Brady. And Kid Reporter. Last Pack Mojo. Hope I get an auto. Oh, we got something in there. Devin Cook. Nick Foles. Haha Clinton Dix. I'm not even going to pronounce that guy's name, but I'll show the back of the name. Stewart, Ingram, that guy for the Cowboys, McCaffrey, Anderson, Matt Ryan, Tariq Hill, this guy for the Lions, don't want from Vernon Davis, Newsome for the Browns, Chasey, Antonio Martin, I said that wrong, I'm sorry, Frank Gore, Geno Atkins, that, can't pronounce his name, but there's that guy, McCoy, Mike, whoever that is, I can't pronounce his name, CJ Mosley, Carlos Hyde, blue foil, I don't think none of these are going to be numbered. Marcus Mariota, blue foil. Brian Urlacher. A fresh proof of Dallas for the Eagles. Rated rookie. Joe Thomas. V of A, St. Brown rated rookie, and Dawson. That is all the base. Time for the graded card, which is a Jarvis Landry. Which is a pretty cool card. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Catch you guys later. Peace.